Well, the one thing that would make my job easier would be to have time to think, because I think being a politician, you react a lot to events. There's always something happening. It's events, dear boy, events, and you respond to them. And you don't always have a strategic overview about what you're trying to do and where you're trying to go. So I'd like more time. And I'd like to have less papers to read. There's a small number of Assembly members. There's only 60 Assembly members. I live locally in Cardiff. I can get home every night. So I'm on 3 committees. I've got lots of stuff to read and I enjoy it all enormously. But what I would like is a bit of space so that I could think more about the strategic things. You know, what actually do I want to see happen over the 5 years and where can I make that difference that I could make. So it's that time, that space. I think that's what having a bit, something like that would be the biggest boost to me as an Assembly member.